Hello, I am Shweta Papriwal and today I will discuss whether you should subscribe for the IPO of Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited. To get information on all upcoming IPOs, subscribe to our YouTube channel IFL Markets and like and share our videos. To apply for IPOs, open a free Demat account with IFL and start your investing journey. Friends, the IPO of Nuvoco Vistas will open on August 9th and close on August 11th. Nuvoco Vistas was incorporated in the year 1999 and is a part of the Nirma Group. Nuvoco is the fifth largest cement company in India and the largest cement company in East India in terms of capacity. The company is one of the leading manufacturers of ready-mix concrete in India. Nuvoco is one of the fastest growing cement companies in terms of capacity addition on percentage terms, with installed capacity doubling over the last 5 years post the acquisition of NU Vista. The company offers a range of 50 products across cement, RMX and modern building materials. Here is the company's financial performance. The company's revenue has increased marginally from Rs 70,521.34 million in FY19 to Rs 74,888.40 million in FY21 at a CAGR of 3% owing to the pandemic. However, the company was able to grow its EBITDA at a CAGR of 24% from Rs 9,714.35 million in FY19 to Rs 14,943.54 million in FY21. There has been a pressure on the company's profits due to the pandemic, as it made a loss of Rs 259.19 million in FY21 after making a profit of 2,492.55 million in FY20, which has led to a fall in the return ratios. The company's strengths are largest cement manufacturing company in East India in terms of total capacity, market-leading brands that enhance leadership with strong brand recognition, strategically located cement production facilities in close proximity to key markets, extensive sales, marketing and distribution network with diversified product portfolio, strategic acquisitions leading to growth, and strong research and development and technological capabilities. Company's growth strategies are consolidate and grow the market share in East, North and Central India, increase the portfolio of premium products and profit margins, focus on operational efficiencies and expanding manufacturing capabilities, strengthen the brand and expand their distribution network, growth through expanding operations and through acquisitions. Let us check the company's valuations. At an EV/EBITDA multiple of 18.4x of FY21, Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited would be valued only second to Shree Cement, which has a multiple of 23.5x. Ambuja Cements, ACC and Ultratech Cement have an EV/EBITDA multiple of 10.9x, 12.3x and 17.3x of FY21 respectively. However, considering the future growth potential of the infrastructure industry, EBITDA growth of 24% CAGR during FY19 to 21, market leadership in East India, strong distribution network, wide portfolio of products, high capacity utilization of approximately 90% and plans of expansion, we recommend subscribe to the issue with a long-term perspective. Here are the IPO details. The IPO will open on August 9th and close on August 11th. The price band of the IPO is of Rs 560 to Rs 570. The issue size of the IPO is of Rs 5,000 crore, out of which the fresh issue is of Rs 1,500 crores. The lot size is of 26 shares. Friends, you can apply for this IPO with IIFL Markets app. Thank you.